Tariki 13 o mwaka ukoragwo hari muthi wa kuririkania muingi kuhuthira mibira ya gubanga uciari riria maronana kimwiri niguo gwithema mirimu itiganite ta gatego, gicununu na kugiririria wohi wa nda mundu atebangite. O mwaka guku bururi-ini gubataranagia mibira milioni 30 ona gutuika ni gukoretwo na unyihu wa mibira ino kuria no mibira milioni 15 tu wironekana. Unyihu uyu ugikwirwo niguo cungiririe Kwongereka kwa murimu wa mukingo undu umwe na wohi wa nda kuri airitu athi wa ukuru wa miaka 18.
Kuna upungufu wa mipira hii ya kondomu, na kwanza kabisa upungufu huu unatuashiria ya kwamba mipira hii ya kondomu inatumiwa katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Upungufu huu umeletwa kwa sababu ile mipira inayoletwa ya bure ambayo inasambazwa na serikali ya bure haitoshelezi mahitaji ya Wakenya wote.
Kuringana na uthuthuriro tafanitio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo wonanitie gicunji kia 42% kia arwaru eru a mukingo ni a ukuru wa miaka 15 nginyagia 24, makiuga gicunji giki ni kiagiriirwo ni kunyihio kuona rucio rwa mbeu njithi rwa ugwati-ini.
The young people we are talking about, let's say age 15 to 24, were born after those early mass campaigns that we are having around condoms and prevention. And that's what we are doing now to ensure that we expose these young people on information around condoms, empower them with correct skills so that they are able to know to correctly and consistently use the condoms for prevention.
Kenya gukorwo ihokete mibira kuma kuri andu a wendi mwega ni ugwati munene. Ruhonge ruru nikiuga thirikari ni igukana njira cia kwiguragira mibira niguo kunina ithenya riria ririho.
The cap that we have also is an opportunity for us slowly by slowly again to engage the private sector, like as we have seen the data we have shown, who still command a very small segment of the market, as an opportunity to bridge that gap, even as we continue mobilizing for additional funding from either the other stakeholders that we have.
Muingi ni uretio gwitikira kuhuthagira mibira riria maronana kimwiri kuna ino noyo njira iria ugwatania wa murimu wa mukingo ugicokio thi mwaka muhituku. Andu 28,000 na 76 nio maronekanire na murimu wa mukingo.
Pia tunahimiza kama vile tulivyohimiza wakati wa COVID ama corona kwamba kila mwananchi ana jukumu lake kwanza la kujikinga, la kununua barakoa. Vile vile kwa wakati huu tunahimiza kwamba kwa yule ambaye ana uwezo na anahitaji mipira hii, basi ni jukumu lake pia yeye kuhakikisha kwamba anaweza kujinunulia.
Kuhuthira Kameme TV, Ritorokoni wa Jiro wa Foro.